Hello, my name is Gina Rickaby and I run Great Cakes, which is based in Crowborough, East Sussex. I've been cake decorating now for over 25 years. I took my City and Guilds in the late 90s, meaning to start my business then, but I had children shortly afterwards and it just didn't work. So I decided to wait until my family were older, until I was ready and committed to start my business. I joined CakeFlix Pro 2.5 years ago because I needed help setting up my business. I wasn't really sure what I needed to do to be legal, and David's tutorials have been absolutely invaluable. It's put me on the right footing. My business is up and running now, and the tutorials help and encourage me to grow my business and grow my brand. Paul's tutorials, on the other hand, are absolutely amazing. There's always something new to learn or a new way of doing things. There may have been techniques that I've forgotten about. It just helps keep me on my toes, keeps me up to date, keeps me current. I thoroughly enjoy the interaction of the Facebook group we have as well. It can be quite isolating running a cake business, particularly from home. So I find the support and encouragement from other members absolutely invaluable. And it's also great to have the chance to meet those members in person. I was lucky enough to take part in the very first CakeFlix Pro members display table in 2017. And the support and companionship that I've gained from that is amazing. The CakeFlix display table has given me confidence. It gave me confidence in my abilities, that I can actually do this to that standard. And the following year encouraged me to take part in the competition as well, which I gained a certificate of merit. I entered again this year. I was lucky enough to have 2 cakes on display for CakeFlix. I don't know if you can see behind me. My white carousel was part of the carousel table, and next to it, you can just see the little ballerina cake, which was on the CakeFlix booth. I also entered in my own right again, a small decorative exhibit, and I won a bronze, so you can see the watermill on the top shelf there. I consider myself pretty much a good all-rounder in the cake decoration. I mainly get asked for novelty cakes, so that seems to be where my reputation is growing. Having said that, I wanted to do a traditional cake. I wanted to do the wedding cake to prove that I can also do the royal icing and other techniques as well. In the foreground there you can see I'm currently making some sugar flowers for an upcoming order as well. So pretty much all round really. And this is where CakeFlix is fantastic. You know, whatever your ability, whatever your skill set, there is something there for everyone. Thank you very much for sparing the time to watch and listen to my video. Details on my website are below. Thank you. Bye bye.